Right, so today, after our outing the other day from the Bund, the Christmas market, came back, got freshed up, and then had a quick shower, and then we ended up going out to this bar again and not getting back until like 8 in the morning. So sadly, it fucked my sleep the entire for that day, and because of that, I ended up sleeping until like midnight yesterday. And sadly, that was the reason why I don't stream. And now, I did manage to sleep a little bit last night, but now we're going out. It's about 3:15. We're gonna go and do some snowboarding. So it should be good fun, but I've never been before, so we'll see. And we're on our way to go snowboarding. Yeah, and it's raining. Thankfully, it's indoor snowboarding. Look at this place. It's enormous. And this is our hotel. This is the snowboarding place. So far, snowboarding crew, Kishi, Serv, the rest of us, Moxie and Raven, and me, and then Leo's leaving us there. Should be interesting. Should be kind of interesting. Okay, we're through the gates. We've got to go rent our stuff now. Ooh, 4 hours of snowboarding. Should be good. See if they have anything in my size. They might not.
Yeah, you might be a little bit screwed.
Might be a little screwed. Might have to snowboard in the clothes that I'm currently wearing. So we'll see.
Really uncomfortable.
We're suited and booted. Look at us. Woo. We're looking good.
Boarded. We haven't boarded.
We have to go get the snowboards now. Let's see how that goes. Okay, we've got the boards. Ooh. Hello everyone. We're ready, we're kitted out, let's go. Straight, point where you want to go. Yep, point to the right, point to the right. Right. Pressure on your heel, pressure on your heel. Pressure on your heel, there you go. Just full commit all the way. Full commit, so you want to be parallel, just fully stop. Oh. I hate teaching.
Well, you're the only one who can teach them with English. I can't. Sorry, Kishi.
Bruh.
Sorry.
Go. I'm good. Go. Faster. Oh. I'm not getting much to run. We made it through initial training, and now it's time for the big leagues. Have to get on the lifts. We all ready? Let's go. All I'm gonna say, these guys fucking suck. But they're okay. Moxie picked it up pretty fast. Frost already knows. Duncan's pretty good. Oh shit, Duncan's looking at me. Don't tell him I'm talking shit. First run. Alright, let's stop. Oh shit! Welcome to snowboarding, baby! They got shit on. Bro, I went fast as fuck. Moxie's struggling to get up. Oh, Dunkin' model pose. Bruh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Wait, who? I don't know. I don't think he can get up.
Guys, it's fast service. It looks like everyone is struggling. Duncan is down there.
I made it down. I made it. Woo! Fucking hell though. That was crazy. I kinda got the hang of it. It's not easy though. Snowboarding is not easy. I mean, part of it I feel like that was difficult. What made it more difficult was that once you got going, because it's kind of steep, it's a pretty steep one. There's a steeper one as well, which is crazy. But if you get going, if you get the speed going, if you don't know how to brake, if you don't know how to brake, or if you're not sure about your braking, because of how many people are here, you can just end up ramming into the back of someone at full speed, which is not good. And then if you're not braking, if you're able to brake a little bit, kind of, and you see something in front of you, you have to land on your ass, or at least that's what happened to me. I think I fell on my ass like 12 times, 10 times going down. Raven, unfortunately, didn't make it the full way.
No, I think I made it halfway.
I made it halfway. He walked down the rest of the way. I took a few breaks in the middle, just sort of.
It hurts when you fall.
Yeah, my ass is in pain, and there's a lot of snow down my trousers right now.
When you fall,
But it was fun.
When you fall on skis, it doesn't stay connected. You just fall off.
Yeah.
You just disconnect.
Yeah.
Not in this, bro. You stay connected.
This thing, you are on it. Like,
Oh, bro.
you like twist your ankle a little bit and shit, bro. It hurts. My left foot really hurts right now. I think overall it was good. It was good. It was good fun. I enjoyed it. But we still got 2 more hours. I could go back up and try again, but I think I need to. If I'm gonna do that, I definitely need a quick rest first. We're just chilling for now. Moxie and Leah are still on there. Leah is coaching Moxie down the slope right now. Slow and steady. Moxie couldn't do it. But I made it. I made it, chat. I got down the slope. Oh, right. I'll pop this down for a bit. There's a lot of footage. I wasn't really filming it myself because I didn't feel comfortable holding it myself, as you can probably imagine. I think there's some footage of me falling on my ass. That'll be good. It'll be good to go and watch. But yeah, I'll see you in a bit.
Okay.
You made it down.
You get it at the end?
Raven walked down.
Halfway.
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 Still halfway though. Bro, my ass really hurts.
Well,
My bum hurts.
I have to say we need 3 teachers.
Oh. It was fun. Yeah, it's fun. I can feel the pain right now.
My
I feel
legs
good.
are gonna be so sore tomorrow.
My left foot really hurts.
Don't massage tonight.
I was like, it's driving
Huh?
into the
Go massage tonight. It will help.
Massage?
I already got a massage.
Yeah, I knew it, bro. I knew it. You get a massage before, you're gonna regret it.
Chilling.
You get it after.
I just know.
How we there for time?
We got 2 hours left. We could go again. Wanna
Later.
go again? Later.
I'm resting the
Need
light.
some time to rest.
I'm resting.
Oh, you want to go by yourself?
I'm good.
Oh. That was fun though. I was getting it. I was just afraid of braking. Braking was hard. Like stopping.
I didn't want to hurt anyone. That's why I was like, you know what, I'm done.
I felt like if I kept going at full speed, I would hurt someone. But then when there was a big open bit right here at the bottom, I just went full speed all the way down.
Wow.
No, I fell on my ass when I got to the bottom. It was still good. Frost went to Kishi. They've gone up. They'll probably be coming down in a sec. That was fun.
There's some coffee. Like,
Some coffee? Hot chocolate?
Like, there's a way to the area for
You
entertainment.
wanna go get a drink?
Yeah,
You want something? Let's get a drink.
hot chocolate.
Cheers.
Cheers. Let's pull it off, Brett.
Wait, no, you don't want to share. No.
Moxie and Raven Cow.
Oh. My legs, my butt. Everything hurts.
You going back out, guys?
It's like an 80% no for me. Unless I'm told some type of new way of doing it.
Okay.
So it's just... In hindsight, I should have just looked up videos and taught myself.
Oh, yeah. Snowboarding's not easy.
You make it look easy.
It is made to look easy.
It's not easy.
It's not easy. Really not easy.
When you fall, it just hurts a lot.
Yeah, that's why everyone has butt cushions.
Yeah. People are going down the slope with butt cushions. Like little turtles and penguins as cushions.
Ghost doesn't look like my helmet because he doesn't fit. So every single time I fell, this thing bumped my nose.
Oh. I fell on my ass once really, really hard. And I felt it throughout my entire body. My head smacked against the
I
slope
haven't
as well.
smacked my head, but I did smack my butt really hard.
I was okay though. I got up after a little bit.
Yeah, because Lee was trying to teach me how to turn, and I was like,
They all took a break, like an hour-and-a-half break after their first run. And this is the remainders.
We have Duncan, we have Frost, and Leah down there.
Hey dude.
Waka!
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Uss. Yeah, let's go! Yeah!
Break.
Nice.
Break.
Now stop. Oh, nice!
Not bad. Almost.
Very good.
Oh shit, this is tough, bro.
Good exercise.
Ready? Come on.
Yeah. Walk over. I might have to give it to you though. I feel very unbalanced. It's okay. My first time I was like this too.
It hurts so much.
Yep.
My ass.
Balance, balance. Work those knees. Work those knees. Come on, yeah, work those knees. Come on. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah. Yeah. Balance. Work the knees, baby. Work the knees. The knees are gonna burn. Oh.
He's getting close. He's getting close.
Oh. The fucking medic sprayed you, bro.
Get the fuck up, pussy.
Fucking get up, man. You fucking fuck.
Oh. Hello. We've made it out. We've returned all the stuff. We're on our way out. Frost has held at the gate. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh.
You said that for you.
Good day. That was fun. I had a lot of fun. Fell on my ass a lot. I feel good. I feel good. How do you feel about that, Frost?
Feel good, but my hair isn't doing so good, I think.
The instructors, the pros over here. Look at Leah. Just dripped out with her own snowboard.
I should have brought my clothes.
Should have brought mine.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, wait, I need to get my lighter. I'm gonna have to go back in around. Oh. Okay.
What?
What?